Ahoy hoy. Actually got out kind of early. It was 9:15 when I left the house. I'm like 4 blocks away, 5 blocks away. Was gonna leave earlier, but it's been annoyingly hot. So I finally just went instead of being lazy. I was gonna leave between 6 and 8:30, but it was already like 70 to 80 between that time, and I wasn't feeling it on lack of water, even though I haven't had that much. I've had a little, but that was pre-water. Be back in a few minutes. BRB. Hoping it cools down the next few days as it's supposed to. Looking at weather on my phone. Even though I like the heat, it's just been too hot. I feel like I've been melting. 90 to 105. That's my norm. $85 and under is fine with me. I'm not a fan of getting all sweaty and stinky just from sitting or standing or laying, just because it's that hot. That's not fun, obviously. I'm in a bit of a notice when I got on yesterday, but the mixture of the two makes me want to, and so I don't know when it cut off on me mid-rant. Trying to start riding in the morning again, but I don't always feel up to it, or I get sidetracked easily, or the weather's not that great, or I'm just not into it. Even though I wanted to do it the night before, then I changed my mind. Get lazy, I don't feel sick, or my body's achy, or both. But my body hasn't been achy lately, so that's nice. Change of pace. Compared to the daily problems. They take it out. Seems to be no more. Oh, there it is. No drinks though. Dang. Oh well, I'll live. Surprised they aren't putting any waters out. Even just regular water. And not fancy sparkling water. They ran out or such. As that can happen. Weird route, but I'm into it. I can mix it up. Pulling a couple routes into one that I might not normally do. Just trying to avoid the hills due to the heat and the bike problems. The combo of the two. Even though I tightened the bolt on the crank bolt as tight as I could without stripping it, figure be cautious. Since this came loose like 2 or 4 times now, I think. So I might as well. Using the singular Allen wrench, I think that did help though. Not the one connected to multiple. Gave a little bit more control. Oh, that means something in the long run. Not a good time to run a stop sign since the police department's a few blocks away from here. And they come over here all the time due to the continuation of school over yonder to my left, and then the high school to my right. They go up and down here like they do my street. Feels better to not be roasting. I was already roasting at 6. So it's nice little breeze. It's warm, but it's not horrendous. Having the breeze, and it being a cool breeze, not a hot, humid, annoying breeze. Those are never fun, of course. Hopefully I don't have any problems uploading this and getting it edited. When I tried my computer, my laptop was being weird last night when I tried to edit yesterday's video. So I turned it up, I shut it down for like 45 minutes to an hour. I think it may have been due to the heat the last few days. So once I turned it on and I remembered about the video because I got sidetracked, I forgot I even turned it back on. It helped it out. And thread the needle, such as that driver dared to be a U-turn, a right or a left, or backing up, or getting in an awkward space in and out. Dang it. Didn't want that to happen. Whoopsie-doo. Whoops. Gotcha. Squeeze the limit. I've only done it a couple times ever, if at all. Feeling it. Nice little excursion thus far. Perfect weather right now compared to the last few days at any point in the day. So I'm glad I left when I did. Seemingly perfect timing. Only bother is the left shoulder shaft for the GoPro is bothering me for some reason. Because why not? I have a zit on my neck, so I think it's good deal. Hurry up. It's always interesting. And I'd work until 1 or 2 a.m. I think it was in 2009 and then 2011 as well. Get off work, I'm gonna ride home whenever, then get home sometime between like 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. depending on what day it was. Since Friday and Saturday that stay open until 2 a.m. and then Sunday through Thursday 1 a.m. 20-mile bike ride one way, so you do the math. I'd ride there in the daytime or take the public transit at some point, part of the way, all the way, and then ride back because it was too late. It would vary from day to day. Sometimes I'd ride round trip, sometimes. So expensive to ride BART. Kind of annoying. It used to be so reasonable. There'd be one way or a round trip, it didn't matter. It was always worth this way, but decided I didn't want to go that way. So here we are with that revelation. Thought I wanted to go the other way, but 2+ cups in one. Not sure why I went this way. I hate this. So a bit wild. Load it, then come back out and do another video. Also because my phone isn't working properly still. Normally I would just have brought it with me if it was reading the SIM card, but it's still being goofy. And I had a sale last night, but they hadn't paid yet still before I left. So normally I wouldn't care, but I have a negative balance of a little over 38 and some change. So I was wanting to be there when they paid so I could just swiftly buy the shipping label, because if I don't, it'll go towards the pending. It's annoying like that. I wish they would fix that to at least where you could advise it whether you want it to happen or not. So yeah, be back later. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.